Guys, BradMan here.
BradMan.
I'm at me cousin
Victor.
My cousin Victor. That's him there.
Hey dude, I'm just getting some frozen VB.
And that's me uncle. He's a pretty famous guy, and they actually, how's this? They made him beer, and they put VB on it for Victor's beer.
Yeah,
that's Victor.
Like
that's Victor's beer.
Vic.
But yeah, what I was going to show you.
Check this.
Look, it's a normal fridge, just a normal boring fridge. And you come in here and yep, just fridgy shit. And then there's a bloody iceberg growing up here. Check it out.
I'm going in the bus.
Look, it's overtaken the fridge.
You do some more video.
Brown shit in
Go
there.
into the computer too.
Oh, I can put it on as soon as I get home, you know. Awesome.